Hello, this is the question number 5, which I will study according to need. Here I have to answer the question E, F, and G of these three questions. Okay, and up to D I have explained in my earlier videos. Now let us come to the question. No, what is E, F, and G is saying? Question number E is saying what is the new capital of E, what is the new capital of F, and what is the new capital of G. ऐसा क्यों कह रहा है? तो देखते हैं क्वेश्चन को. क्या है क्वेश्चन? E, F, and G are partners sharing in 4:3:1. That means their old ratio was 4:3:1. Later on, F decided to give 1/10 of his share to G. Okay, so let us come quickly find out the new share of. Although I have did it earlier, but once again I am coming to explain you. See here in this video, I have taken F's old share 3/8 because 4:3:1. Since F is sacrificing 1/10 of his share, that is 3/8, to G. So 1/10 of 3/8 is 3/80. This is also the sacrificing ratio of F because he is giving away for G. The old ratio was F 3/8. Sacrificing ratio of F is 3/80. So what is the new ratio? 3/8 minus 3/80 equals to 27/80. Okay, so new ratio of F is 27/80. Now let us come to the question once again. Question says that see here, here E gave 1/5 from his share to G. So once again come to the solution. What I have done, old ratio of E is already 4/8. Since E is giving away 1/5 from his share, not off. In case of off, it is multiplied from. So how we will find? This is the sacrifice of E. So 4/8, that is old ratio. Sacrifice is 1/5. So I have calculated the new ratio 12/40, and in proportion it is 24/80. Okay, so new ratio of E is 24/80. Okay, and whatever is being sacrificed by E and F, that goes to G. So what I have done here, see, the old ratio of G was already 1/8, and he got 1/5 from E and 3/80 from F. So this is gained by G. So the gaining ratio is 19/80 for G. So what is the new ratio of G? In case of sacrificing ratio, we subtract, but when partner gains, the new ratio is added by 1/8 plus 19/80. Okay, so it is 29/80. Therefore, the new profit sharing ratio of 3 is 24:27:29. Okay, keep it in mind. Now let us come to the question. The question says, please be attentive here. If after, see this section, very vital. If after all adjustment due to change in PSR, so we have just calculated that new PSR is 24:27:29, and the old PSR was 4:3:1. Capital account, please be attentive. Capital accounts of E, F, and G were rupees 80,000, 50,000, and 70,000. That was their old adjusted capital after all adjustment. But they decided, what they decided? To readjust their capital in new PSR, profit sharing ratio. Although the total capital remained same. Okay, so let us move in the next part. What it says, ये क्या कह रहा है कि उन लोग का पहले का जो कैपिटल था कितना था, फिर से एक बार देख लेते हैं. The old capital was 80,000, 50,000, and 70,000. Okay, so come here. Let us see it carefully. Old capital, LMN, and total. So it is, once again come to the question. The old capital of L was 80, 50 and 70,000. 80,000, 50,000 and 70,000. Okay. So 80,000 for L, 50,000 for M and 70,000 for N. Now what happens? The total capital will be 80, 50, 130 plus 70, 2 lakh. Because question says us कि the total capital as it was before, so it will be new. So this was the capital earlier. क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है कि ये जो टोटल कैपिटल 2 लाख वो 2 लाख ही रहेगा, लेकिन अब ये 2 लाख न्यू प्रोपोर्शन में हो जाएगा. तो कैपिटल इन न्यू PSR. How we will do it? First of all, the rough work will be done. What we will do? 2 lakh divided by the sum of this 24 is to 27 is to 29 was 80. So divided by 80, 0 0 cancelled, 8 2 ja 16, 4 0 8 5 ja 40, 8 5 ja 40. So it is 2,500. Now 2,524 ja means his capital will be, L's capital will be 2,500 into 24, M's capital will be 2,500 into 27, and N's new capital will be 2,500 into 29. So let us do the calculation. Come in the mobiles calculator section. I am coming. Calculator. We have to find out 24 into 2500. It is 60,000. So keep in mind the L's new capital is 60,000. Now what is the capital of M? 2,500 into 27. So 2,500 into 27, it is 67,500. And what is the new capital of N? So it is 2,500 into 29. So his capital is 72,500. Now come to the question. See here. Just on calculator we have calculated that the new capital of P is 60,000. New capital of P ne L's new capital is 60,000. M's new capital is 67,500 and N's new capital is 72,500. Okay. We also do here something else कि यहाँ क्वेश्चन बोला गया था कि ये सारे पार्टनर्स अपने जो टोटल कैपिटल सेम रहेगा और सिर्फ उसको न्यू PSR में कर लेंगे, और ज़रूरत पड़ेगा तो या तो घर से पैसा लाएंगे या घर पैसा लेके चले जाएंगे. सो ये देखिए, अब कंपेयर कीजिए. यहाँ पे ओल्ड कैपिटल कितना था एल का? 80,000. ओल्ड 80. एंड व्हाट इज़ द न्यू कैपिटल? न्यू कैपिटल इज़ 60,000. तो यानी उसका ऑलरेडी पहले से कैपिटल है 80,000. हिज ओल्ड कैपिटल इज ऑलरेडी 80,000 इन द बिजनेस एडजस्टेड कैपिटल, बट हिज कैपिटल शुड बी 60,000. सो ही इज एक्सीडिंग बाय 20,000. सो एल विथड्रॉ कर लेगा. कितना पैसा विथड्रॉ कर लेगा? तो 20,000. प्लीज़ कीप इन माइंड उनका कैपिटल होना चाहिए 60,000 एज पर न्यू PSR, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू ओल्ड एडजस्टमेंट हिज कैपिटल वॉज 80,000. नाउ कम टू द M. M's old capital was 50,000, but his new capital should be 67,500. तो है 50, होना चाहिए 67,500. तो he has deficiency in his capital or her capital. तो क्या करेंगे? उसको कितना लाना पड़ेगा कि जिससे इसका कैपिटल न्यू के हिसाब से हो जाए? तो ये ब्रिंग इन कैश करेंगे. कितना करेंगे? 17,500. क्योंकि देखिए 50 में अगर 17,500 जोड़ देंगे तो इट इज 67,500. नाउ कम टू द N. N's old capital was 70,000 and his capital should be 72,500. तो अगेन he is again he is in deficiency of 2500, so also he will bring in how much 2500। यानी सारा करके पता चला हम लोग को कि न्यू कैपिटल एडजस्टमेंट में एन एम और एन को पैसा लाना पड़ेगा कितना 17,500, इसको 2,500। अब देख लो ध्यान से, जो लाएंगे उन सारे मिल करके जो निकालेंगे, और बात एक ही हो जा रही है, बट वी हैव टू डू इट। ओके, थैंक यू।